Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. Day number 10 of my 24 days of Christmas Vlogmas series. I hope you're enjoying the videos. If you are, please do give them a thumbs up just to help YouTube promote my channel a little bit more. And also, if you're not already, if you are new here, the warmest of welcomes. Please do consider hitting that subscribe button so that you can follow me on my YouTube journey for lots of more craziness to come, not only during Vlogmas but well into next year, I hope, as well. So first things first, today I have an unboxing for you. It's the first of December's beauty boxes and it is from Roccabox. There we go, everybody. December's Roccabox is here. So what is Roccabox? How much does it cost? What do we get? This is a UK-based monthly beauty subscription box service. It costs £13.95 a month to receive, including your postage and packaging, and we always get at least 5 items. They can range from full size down to deluxe minis. Sometimes we get bonus treats in there as well. But before we get into that, of course, we do need to open our advent calendars. So let's get on and see what's in day number 10 of the Look Fantastic one. And here we go, number 10 is right above where number 9 was yesterday. Here it is. It's quite a large drawer, this one. Not quite sure what can be in here, everybody. Let's have a look. Ooh, something round, big tub of something wrapped up. And it, oh, it's Rituals. It's the brand Rituals, everybody. Yay! It's the Rituals of Sakura, which is the cherry blossom and organic rice milk scent. It's absolutely divine. This is a rich body scrub. Oh, I nearly said body cream. It's actually a body scrub. Here we go. What size tub is this? Is this 100ml? It's 125 grams, so I reckon this must be... Is this full size or is this going to be like half size? I'm not quite sure. But then it's all sealed, which is amazing. I love that. I know what this scent smells like. I absolutely adore it. I've had the tubes of the body scrub before. It's really, really nice from what I remember. So I'm very pleased to have a bigger one. And now let's move on to day number 10 from Box of Vlogmas. Okay, here we go. Number 10. What we got? Ooh, Love Potion Eco Soy Wax Melt. Oh, fantastic. This looks, right, it's by the brand Toucan Gifts and they are handmade in the UK. We've got a small tin of them, there we go. Lovely little tin, look. Does it tell us the weight? No, I don't think it does. Oh! Okay, they look like little pills. Little tablets. Whoops! They're really cute. There we go. And let's see what sort of scent they are. Quite floral. Quite sweet. I think I can smell maybe a grapefruit in there or something like that. So quite fresh, maybe a lemony. They're quite nice, maybe like a bit like a strawberry fizzer or a strawberry sherbet actually, or a grapefruity sherbet or something, but they smell nice. So I will look forward to using those in my little mini cauldron oil burner that we got out of Box of Vlogmas the other day. All right, let's get into this unboxing, everybody. So here we go. Roccabox for December 2020. Whoopsie daisy. Looks like my leaflets have just fallen off the top. They have. So with Roccabox we always do get a little sheet. This tells us about the products that are in there. There are RP values and a little bit about them, so I will refer to this as we are going along if I need to. First things first, okay. Immediately this is a full-size product, which is fantastic. But it's also a product I will be gifting away. I just don't, it's not a product I use. It's by the company Batiste and it looks like it's in collaboration with the brand Skinny Dip. It is a dry shampoo. Lovely blue butterflies on the canister there. That's absolutely awesome. I love that. What size is it? It's 120 grams. And the RRP of this is £2. It looks like you'll be getting one of two. This one with them. So that's item number 1 from this month's Roccabox. Item number 2 is by the brand Grace and Stella. Okay, I've had a couple of things from this brand before, one of which is a lavender body lotion, I do believe. Oh, the other one is a little rose facial spray that I gifted recently to Aisha, the Moon and Stars. I'll link Aisha's channel up here for you now. If you don't know who Aisha is, please do go check her out and support her. This, however, is a Dead Sea mud mask. Okay, it's a 30ml tube, so not a bad size tube, it has to be said. Let's see what it says about it. This is a deluxe travel size, and the RRP of this is £8. Okay, so mud face masks or clay face masks, I actually really do like. I find they work really quite well on my oily skin. I'm just going to see what sort of things are in here. It doesn't say it's rose scented or anything like that, which I'm really pleased about because I don't do rose. This brand is cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, so that will be going up in my face mask box that I've got building up upstairs, ready and waiting. So that's item number 2. Item number 3. This is by the company Bella Pierre. Okay, now Bella Pierre, I've had a few items from them and quite liked everything that I've had, it has to be said. This, however, is a Heatwave highlighting palette. Here we go. It looks like we've got 5 different mini highlighter shades, and I'm going to show you the outer packaging. There we go. So we've got like what looks like quite a pale pinky one, bit of a golden one, bit of a sort of darker bronzy one, maybe slightly, I don't know, yeah, orangey one, and like a champagne-y one there. Let's have a look. This is the hero product for this month, and the RRP of this is £24.99. Now, I do know Bella Pierre is quite a pricey brand, but you often can pick it up on offers, so do search around your cosmetic websites, everybody. Feel unique, look fantastic, cult beauty, all beauty as well. So I think that's a great little size item for sort of what I classify as like a travel makeup kit, for in your handbag, you know, or for going away, one thing and another. Is this an item I'm going to keep? Potentially not. Purely because I have got an awful lot of highlighters. In fact, keep your eye out, haha, literally, because my blush and highlighter makeup collection and declutter video will be coming up tomorrow, everybody. If you like your decluttering videos, make sure you've hit that subscribe button and you're following me because it's a coming. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to keep this. I'm not even going to swatch it or anything because I prefer to gift on products that have been untouched if I can. But there we go. Nice item to have, but just not a product for me. And the next item in the box, again, is not a product. Well, the actual product is something I would use, but not this one. We have a full-size eye mask. Oh, I forgot to say, by the way, that Bella Pierre highlighting palette is full-size as well. This, it looks like a lovely peachy pinky sleep mask, silk sleep mask. Now, these are fantastic. They're great for if you suffer with headaches and things. I'm not a pinky peachy girl, so again, this is going to be going, being donated away or popped in a giveaway or something. And this is by the company Smug, and the RRP of this is £15. Like I say, it's probably really nice, it's just not something I'm going to keep. And the last product in the box is a product we've had before from Roccabox earlier this year. It's a good old Subbox skincare staple. It's the Balance Me brand and it's the Vitamin C Repair Serum. I have tried this before. This is a 7ml tube and it's a deluxe travel size with an RRP of £10. Like I say, I have used this before. In fact, I featured this in my recent 6 months worth of empties video. I'll pop that because I think that was part 1. I did 2 parts of that because it was quite a long one. I'll pop the link up here to it now for you. So you can find out my thoughts and feelings on it. A nice thing to have, but we have had it already at least once in Roccabox this year, so okay, let's do a roundup. We have the Batiste dry shampoo worth £2. We have the Bella Pierre highlighting palette worth £25. We have the sleep mask by Smug worth £15, so we're at 42 there. We have the Grace and Stella mud face mask worth £8, so that's 50. And then we have the Balance Me Vitamin C Serum at £10. So we have a box here with 5 items in, 3 of which are full size, 2 deluxe travel sizes, and it's worth £60. What do I think to the box overall? Well, from a value for money point of view versus what you pay it, yeah, it's really good. I do think it's nice. It's a nice curation. You've got a bit of makeup, you've got some self-care, you've got the dry shampoo for your hair care, you've got, you know, a couple of items of skincare. So curation-wise is okay, it's nice. As you can see, I have got 3 items held here, which is the vast majority of the value of the box that I am going to be gifting away because they're just not products for me. So, you know, I've paid £14 for it and I've got £18 worth of products that I am actually going to end up using. Yes, that's okay. I've got my money back and I'm never upset as long as I can do that with a sub box. But I would say it's not my favourite box of this year from Roccabox. But anyway, everybody, please let me know all your thoughts, feelings and feedback on this box in the comments section below. Thank you for watching as always, everybody. If you are new to my channel, like I say, the warmest of welcomes. I hope you do subscribe and follow me on this journey. I don't just do beauty subscription box unboxings. I have some gothic and alternative lifestyle subscription box unboxings that I do. I have makeup hauls, I have makeup looks, I have my live stream on a Friday evening called the Friday Night Natter. That's 8 PM UK time. It's a virtual get together, very open-minded, encouraging and supportive place to come and literally have a chinwag. Bring your favourite beverage, get yourself comfy, knowing that you don't have to leave your own house to do it. We're building a really, really lovely community on there and we would love to welcome you into that if you feel as though it's somewhere you would like to join in with. We also have, myself and Lisa from Authentic Beauty, a joint Facebook page that is called Making It Authentic. I will pop the details down here for you now. That's another social media platform for everybody from the community to interact with each other. We have a couple of subscribers, the lovely Kelly, Afflicted Beauty, and Ellie, who do beauty blogs, and they post their things on there. We also have a nail artist, Robin, who's called Strange Presents, on here on YouTube. She's involved and she'll post some pictures and things on there as well. So again, just another place for you to interact and support one another. I'm also on Instagram, of course. I'll pop those details down here now. Please do head over to there and follow me. I'm trying to get better at uploading and updating that page, but obviously I am really, really busy with Vlogmas at the minute, so bear with me, I will get there eventually. Okay, everybody, I think that's everything for today. Enjoy the rest of your day, keep safe and well, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!